Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to find the link in the bio on Instagram. So simply you can just go ahead into clicking their username, right? And after you click their username, you're gonna be able to see that they have right here in the colored, you're gonna see it highlighted under the bio or under the description. You're gonna be able right here to see. Click one more, you're gonna see right here the links icon, right? You're gonna see the links for their official website, and you're gonna see a second link if they have more than one link, or one link to a YouTube app, YouTube channel, whatever it might be, and another link for their social media like TikTok or whatever, right? So you're gonna be able right here to see it. If you made your Instagram to a dark mode, you're gonna be able to see that link icon. If you have made it to the light mode, or to the original mode, which is the white screen, you're gonna be able to see it highlighted in blue, most likely. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.